Today, we'll talk about some common mistakes language learners make and how to fix them. Avoiding these mistakes can help you learn faster, stay motivated, and gain more confidence in your language skills. The good news is, once you're aware of these mistakes, you can easily avoid them and make faster progress in your language learning journey. Hi, my name is Özge. As someone who learned English as a second language and is now learning Spanish, I know firsthand how challenging the process can be. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 common mistakes language learners make and how to fix them so you can learn more effectively and feel more confident in your target language. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, over-reliance on translation. Directly translating from your native language to your target language often leads to awkward or incorrect sentences. I made this mistake so many times. For example, in Turkish we say, "I'm coming right away" when answering the phone, but in English it sounds odd. You would say, "I will be right there." Instead of translating, focus on learning English phrases the way native speakers use them. You can achieve this by watching movies, TV shows, or vlogs on YouTube. Mistake number 2, neglecting pronunciation. Pronunciation is so important, not just for sounding good, but for being understood. I still struggle with pronouncing INGs, like you can't really hear the difference when I say baking. It sounds like bacon. It's because I'm having a hard time to put emphasis on the letter G, like baking. People still understand what I'm trying to say, and if they don't, they simply ask. However, this is something that I still work on after 6 years of learning English. A great way to improve is mimicking native speakers. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, and repeat what you hear. You can use 4-Wo to hear correct pronunciations and shadow native speakers in movies and podcasts. Mistake number 3, avoiding speaking. I get it. Speaking a new language can be scary. I was terrified of making mistakes at first. But avoiding speaking only makes it harder to improve. I started by talking to myself and recording my voice. It helped me so much. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just speak. Find a language partner, join an online group, or even talk to AI chatbots. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Mistake number 4, ignoring grammar rules. While you don't need to be a grammar expert, some basic rules really matter. I used to mix up I've been and I was all the time until I sat down and learned the difference. If grammar books bore you, try learning through stories, interactive exercises, or even posts on social media. Instead of memorizing rules, learn grammar naturally by reading books, articles, and subtitles in your target language. Pay attention to sentence patterns and how words are used in context. Mistake number 5, not engaging with native speakers. One of the best ways to learn natural English or any other language is to talk to native speakers as much as possible. I remember the first time I had a full conversation in English. It was scary, but also a big confidence boost. If you don't have native speakers around, join online communities or watch YouTubers from the countries that speak your target language. Join language exchange platforms like HelloTalk to engage with native speakers. Mistake number 6, lack of consistency. I know routines can be boring. Trust me, I struggle with them too. But consistency is key to learning any language. Instead of long, exhausting study sessions, try short daily habits like listening to a podcast while cooking or writing a few sentences in your target language every day. For example, I use Duolingo every day to learn new words in Spanish. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Even learning 1 new word a day adds up over time. And lastly, mistake number 7, giving up too soon. Learning a language takes time and patience. There were moments I felt like I wasn't improving at all. But looking back, I did improve even when I didn't realize it. The key is to keep going. Mistakes are part of the process. Instead of feeling discouraged, laugh at them, learn, and keep moving forward. Always keep your goal in mind. Remind yourself why you're learning this particular language. Track your progress by keeping a language journal or recording yourself speaking every week. Looking back at your improvements will remind you how far you have come, even if you don't feel it day to day. So those were 7 common mistakes and how to fix them. I've made most of these myself, but by recognizing recognizing them, you can speed up your learning. I would love to hear from you. What mistakes have you made while learning a language? Drop a comment below. If you want more tips, I'll leave some helpful resources in the description. Let's keep learning together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.